Page 203, Rondeau. This is an example of viola music. It's an alto clef, a C clef. Remember, the C clef moves around, and with viola music, they might play treble clef or C clef or alto clef. Alto clef is a C clef. It's called alto clef when it's positioned there, because trombones or cellos, they sometimes get a tenor clef, and that's another C clef that's in a different position. The point is, can you play this? Can you read alto clef? It's transposing, except you're not transposing the key signature. You're just transposing where the notes are on the staff. The middle line, where the middle of that alto clef is, that's middle C. So you have to transpose everything else accordingly. Well, that first note is right above that line, so that first note is a D. What I generally do if I don't read alto clef, I used to read it, but I don't anymore, so now I have to transpose it. Now that I know where the starting note is, I can go down a step or up a step or down a third or up a third or whatever, and I can follow it there. I got to remember I'm in the key of B flat. It's either B flat or G minor. I don't know which it is. We'll figure it out later. I think it's B flat. But here, I'm starting here. Down a third, a fourth. Up a fourth. Down a third. Down a third. Down a fifth. You're doing that. Get the idea? And that's what it is. If you're going to be an orchestra conductor, then you simply need to learn to read viola clef. Just learn to read it. Practice it. Find viola music or any music with the alto clef and just read it. Over, it's like reading is a skill. Well, just read, just learn the viola clef. And the tenor clef too, eventually. I'm sure they'll present tenor clef someday, but one thing at a time, get the alto clef down.